Hey guys, welcome to Mobitron. In this video, we're gonna see all new features that Android has given us in Android 11. So let's get started.
So this is a feature we all familiar are with. For example, we all have been using Facebook messengers. So whenever someone sends you a message, you get a notification by a pop-up head chat on your phone. Similarly, Android 11 has launched a feature that will give you a pop-up head chat on your phone if someone sends you a text message. And probably in future, they might also release the same feature for third-party apps like WhatsApp, Hike, and many more. So this will take multitasking to a new level.
Android 11's notification panel is now so much simplified and grouped for better user experience. Until now, we see the notification in Android are combined and unorganized, but now they are categorized in three different groups: priority notification, alert notification, and silent notification. So you don't have to go through all the notifications that are unwanted and destructive too.
They have changed the whole menu design. They have added smart home control over there. We all have seen Google Pay cards and many more over there. But what Google has introduced for the first time is smart home control. By this, you can check the lighting of your house, speed of your fans, and many more things just by accessing the smart devices by using this feature. You just need to press and hold at this smart home control button.
Yes, there are lots of design changes in this update, but it's definitely acceptable. Now, any app playing media will create a widget on the drop-down menu, which is completely matched with the background color of the album art. And it is shown in two different ways. First, when it is collapsed, you can see quick setting toggles also. But when you expand it, you can see a full album art, a scrub bar, and whatever else a music player want to toss up there. As a little bonus, when you tap on the play pause button, you will get a nice ripple animation. And so there is a new button which will allow you to choose any of your audio outputs.
This cool new feature is already available in other Android devices and iPhones. This is easy screen recording. So let's see how you can start screen recording. Just pull down the quick settings shade and you can find the option right over there. So if you want to start screen recording, just tap at the icon and you'll find a pop-up on your screen which will ask for your confirmation that you want to record the audio through a microphone or you want to use your device recording just to record whatever you are. So once you confirm, the recording starts and it records whatever you are doing in your phone, and you can choose to stop it whenever you want, and you can cancel it also whenever you feel like.
Google has not changed anything on the home screen this time, except Autodock. Autodock will suggest you which app you should open next. This only happens by observing your daily activities. It will observe what you open at the certain condition, and then it will reorganize automatically time by time. But I am not a fan of the Autodock. I will prefer to have my own customized deck rather than Autodock, so I can find that application whenever I want at the same place.
There are new buttons added to the recent app menu. The first button which is added up is Screenshot. We already know what Screenshot does, but let me tell you, keep in mind that once you open recent app, we can see all the applications we have recently watched. But if you tap on the screenshot, it won't take the screenshot of all the recent apps. It will just take the screenshot of the app which is visible to you on the top. The second button is Select. This is a very useful button. This will help us in many ways. Like if you choose this button, you can select from the image or whatever you have recently opened. If there is any information which is on the image and you want to copy it or paste it, you can use this select button. Just select the text, whatever you want to copy, and then you can just Google search it or etc, whatever you want to do. And the third is share. Like if you've recently opened any web page or any other documents and you just want to share it, so you can just go to the recent app and use this share button and share the document or the web page you need to share.
Maybe you know, whenever you take a screenshot in an iPhone, it will show you a preview thumbnail in the bottom left corner of the screen, like this. Exactly like that, Android 11 will also show you a preview of your taken screenshot in the bottom left corner of your screen. And from there, you can also edit, share or tap on the cancel icon to dismiss.
So let's see this new feature. Actually, most of the phones have this feature from before. As we all know, some people might have already enabled the gestures like back tap gesture. This helps us from swiping from the edge. If you swipe from the edge, it replaces the back button. Now, Android 11 has released a new feature which will give us sensitivity options. So you can choose how sensitive you want the gesture to be. Either you want to pull it so hard that's when it goes back, or just pull it a bit and it can go back. This will be helpful in some applications which have their own gestures at the edge. So this could be a very useful feature.
This feature will allow you to control your phone without touching it, means by just speaking a command. So when you activate this feature, you can do anything just by speaking. Now you will say I am talking about Google Assistant. But no, this is not Google Assistant. In Google Assistant, you have to give a command to activate Google Assistant, and then you have to say something. But for your knowledge, Google Assistant is limited to some extent. Like if you are in an app and you want to tap on a certain button, you can ask Google Assistant to tap on that button. But by this feature, you can access to any button by just picking it. For example, if you are in any app and you want to click on certain button, you can just speak and click on that button.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like the video. Catch you up in the next one.